When parents witness stupidity.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm heating up my food. What? Why are you heating up your food? Because it's frozen. I'm not dealing with this today. I know this is one of your stupid tricks. Take it out. Take it out of the microwave right now. I'm serious. Open it. Open the microwave. You're actually warming up food. You're making sense. I'm so proud of you. Matter of fact, make me a plate, please. Okay, just gotta put it in the microwave. Yours is frozen too. That's fine. Just put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. I should have known. It was too good to be true. It wasn't. Why are you so stupid?
Hadouken!